The truth is, people generally don't want much. They want simple things like eating their favorite food, visiting the seaside, napping on the grass, or listening to music. They want to hold the one they love and be held. They want warm clothes and a fulfilling life. They want to feel safe, unafraid to live without judgment. They crave moments that slow down time, laughing until their stomach aches, reading beside open windows, noticing the sky shifting colors. People dream of mornings that feel easy, spontaneous adventures, and finding comfort in conversations that heal something within. We all wish for gentle reassurance and simple days when life feels good, peaceful, and completely ours. At the end of it all we truly want is the simplicity of a life that is filled with love and compassion.